This is the afternoon video update. This is for Tuesday, the 4th of June. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather, just what you'd expect in early June. It's kind of hot, kind of humid, and we have random, scattered showers and thunderstorms developing across the state. Let's look at the radar. We are live at 2:53 this afternoon. And again, you can see they are fairly widely scattered, gradually moving to the east-northeast. So far, the storms are more numerous in areas south of Interstate 20 through parts of east, central, and south Alabama. And nothing severe. Got some thunder and lightning in spots, a few heavy downpours. Check out some of the heavier showers. Got a pretty good thunderstorm a little west of Wetumpka in Elmore County. Pretty good cluster of storms there sitting on the Chambers-Tallapoosa County line, a little east of Camp Hill. And in South Alabama, got some good downpours in parts of Wilcox, Monroe, Butler, Crenshaw, Covington, Conecuh, Escambia, and Coffee counties. And again, we'll see these things continuing to develop in very random spots. You might get a half-inch of rain today. Your neighbor down the road gets absolutely nothing. That's the way it goes on most summer afternoons in Alabama. Here's the water vapor satellite view. Got a weak westerly flow aloft. Most of the wave action is to the north. Visible satellite view. And you can see we've got a partly sunny sky for most of the state with a field of cumulus clouds. And, of course, you can see those pockets of convection across the state. There's the radar composite. We note another MCS, mesoscale convective system, coming through central Louisiana this afternoon. That will probably stay a little west of the state. Pretty warm today. And, I define hot as when it hits 90. I mean, after all, this is Alabama. 87 in Birmingham. Of course, if you're out in the sun, it feels hot, but those numbers about what you expect for June. Huntsville, 82, 87 for Dothan and Mobile. We'll check the watch warning map. We have flash flood watches for parts of Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, northeastern Texas. In South Texas, we have heat advisories, and back in the southwest United States, we have some excessive heat warnings where they are very hot. Phoenix, Las Vegas, and the deserts. Here's the severe weather outlook for today and tonight. Got a risk of severe storms from the western Gulf Coast region to the upper Midwest. A small enhanced region that's level 3 out of 5 for parts of Oklahoma. And again, we do note that marginal risk, and again, this is valid through tonight, kind of clips the western part of Alabama. There's a closer look at that. That's for areas west of a line from near Scottsboro down to about Marbury and Mobile. Interestingly enough, the scattered storms in progress now are not in that zone, but some could develop later. But the main concern, small hail, gusty winds. There is no tornado threat. We are out of the tornado season. Tomorrow, marginal risks well to the west and north. And on day 3, which is Thursday, no organized severe weather is expected. We'll check rain for the next 7 days. And again, average amounts 1/2 to 1 inch. But those are just averages. We all know distribution is not even this time of the year. We do think we'll have a couple of dry days, Friday and Saturday. Other than that, on most days, we'll deal with these random scattered showers and thunderstorms. And the tropics remain quiet. So model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Pretty impressive upper low north of Minnesota. Upper heat ridge building across the southwest. And a little shortwave trough kind of creeping in here. And again, that will mean at least a chance of scattered showers and storms again. But let's go straight to the high-resolution HRRR model. This is valid tomorrow afternoon at 5, and it's not especially bullish on shower development. And I'll just say the HRRR has been struggling with this, and it always does. Random air mass convection. There's not enough available data, upper air data in real time. There's not enough density in the observations for these to work that well. But just understand, like today, we'll see a few scattered showers and storms about, partly sunny, highs 87 to 90. Thursday, evidence that we'll begin to see that drier air kind of pushing into North Alabama. The better chance of scattered showers and storms Thursday could very well be over the southern half of the state. And again, Friday looks like for a temporary time here we'll be in a dry continental air mass. High Friday in the middle 80s. The sky will be sunny. And Saturday morning, we might see some upper 50s for the cooler pockets. Come on now. That's very refreshing for June. Saturday will be a sunny day, highs mid to upper 80s. And again, a little disturbance comes down this northwest flow aloft on Sunday with a chance of scattered showers and storms again. That's not to say Sunday will be a rainy day. It won't be, but again, the chance of scattered showers and storms. Monday, a pretty good chunk of the state could be dry, but again, evidence will see scattered showers for at least the northern third of the state. And a week from today, Tuesday, the 11th of June, troughing to the north and west, and again, the chance of scattered showers and storms, especially for the northern half of the state. So let's go out to Thursday of next week, June 13th. Off the GFS, and this is what will be plastered all across social media. Hurricane will likely affect the Florida Panhandle, Big Bend region next week. And of course, this is what they show you. They will never, ever, ever show you this, the exact same time coming off the European global model, which shows absolutely nothing. And the GFS is very well known for putting down bogus tropical systems 10 to 15 days in advance that never, ever happens. So, again, you'll probably see that, but when you look at this long-range stuff, you don't even want to look at this deterministic stuff. You want to look at the ensembles, the probabilistic type output. But having said that, could something like that happen? Sure. But the odds of that are not especially high. And again, we stress the European shows nothing next Thursday. We're dry. Let's go at 10 days. Now, this is the GFS. This is valid Friday the 14th. It's got this deep upper low that's over the Mississippi Valley and a tropical system that is inland coming up through the mountains of North Carolina. But again, I stress, European says, not so fast. That's not going to happen. And it probably won't. Let's check rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean, little under 2 inches between now and the 19th of June. Temperatures about what you'd expect for June for the next 10 days. Highs mostly 85 to 90. Lows mostly in the 60s and hot off the presses. Got the brand new 8 to 14 day guidance. This is for June 12th through June 18th. And if this works out, temperatures a little below average for the Tennessee Valley, maybe a little above average for the southern counties, but again, nothing out of the ordinary. Hotter weather off to the west under the heat ridge. And you know what we got to do here? We got to roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. Yes, sir. Had a big crowd today. The Homewood Public Library. Love these summer programs. Summer program season in full swing. Had a packed house today. And hey, those are cupcakes. Homewood Library respects the Polygon. That's what I'm talking about. But, you know, I said this, you can learn science in summer. You can do that. It was great to see all those students in there from different schools across the region. A lot of mamas and daddies and big brothers, big sisters, little sisters. Big crowd today. So again, to everybody who came out today to the Homewood Public Library, thanks a lot for a great visit today. You guys are looking good. Tomorrow going to be Children's of Alabama. Got a weather program for the patients and their families. Tomorrow it's Weather Wednesday. We do that on the first Wednesday of the month. Friday, Woodland Forest Elementary School. That is in Tuscaloosa. Do see the kids there in their summer program. Most schools have summer programs for those that don't know. And the summer program season is absolutely in full swing. And then on Saturday, we're going to do a book signing at Psalm 34 Bakery. That's on Highway 160 in Hayden, Blount County. Going back to Blount County. I was up there today at on Straight Mountain at Appalachian. But again, that's going to be Hayden from 10 until 1 on Saturday. All the books, shirts, hats, all that cool stuff. We have a lot of fun. We take a lot of pictures. I promise you'll like it, and you're going to love the food if you've never been there before. So Psalm 34 Bakery, Highway 160, Hayden. 10 to 1 on Saturday. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock, right across the hall in Studio A. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.